Today in Tech Talk 101 SD. You're selecting text wrong. Selecting text is a common thing to do on a computer. Just click and drag your mouse to highlight the desired text. Couldn't be simpler, right? There's actually a much better way of doing this, and you'll never go back. Why you're doing it wrong? First, let's look at the way most people typically select text on their Windows, Mac, Chromebook, or Linux PC. You position the cursor at the beginning of the text, hold the mouse button down, drag the cursor to the end, then release the button. The text is highlighted letter by letter. This works fine, but there's one problem and you've probably noticed it. When you're selecting text letter by letter, it's easy to accidentally only highlight part of a word. You might not have the cursor in the exact right spot to start, or you miss the last letter. It can be annoying. The better method. Prepare to have your mind blown. Instead of a single click and drag, try doing a double click instead. This will highlight word by word rather than letter by letter, which is much more efficient. The double click selects the full word you have the cursor on, then you can continue to drag the cursor to highlight word by word. Punctuation marks are highlighted independently from the words. This method makes a lot more sense for most situations. You don't have to worry about dragging to the exact right spot. The best part is this isn't an exclusive trick for any specific platform. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chromebooks. Now to select whole paragraph, triple click on any part of the paragraph. For keyboard lovers, there are keyboard shortcuts for selecting text both by letter and by word. To select text letter by letter, place the cursor at the starting point, hold down the Shift key, then press the left or right arrow keys. To select by word, place the cursor at the starting point, now hold Shift plus Control and press the left or right arrow keys. Little tricks like this can make a world of difference. You may have never even considered there was another way to select text. Consider subscribing to my channel Tech Talk 101 SD.